If we talk about properties of ionic compounds, अब ionic compounds का क्या मतलब है? We have metals and we have non-metals. अब ionic compounds also exist in two forms. They can be either in a solid form, they can be in a liquid form, or what we call as molten. Molten form के अंदर भी compounds हो सकते हैं. So what are ionic lattice structures? Most ionic, metallic, and covalent solids are crystalline lattices. The ions, atoms, or molecule are arranged in a regular and repeating arrangement. Giant ionic lattices क्या होते हैं? An ionic bond is an electrostatic force of attraction between a positively charged metal cation and a negatively charged anion. The metal becomes positively charged as it transfers electrons to the non-metal, which then becomes negatively charged. When an ionic compound is formed, the attraction between the ions happens in all directions. Ionic compounds are arranged in giant ionic lattices, also called giant ionic structures. The type of lattice formed depends on the size of the positive and negative ions, which are arranged in an alternating fashion. जैसे कि most common, the ionic lattice of magnesium oxide and sodium chloride are in a cubical form. ये cubic form के अंदर इनके lattice present होते हैं. Here you can see the negative ions are bigger than the positive ion cations. तो इनके दरमियान this is a lattice. There is also some force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions, and there is repulsion between the same charges as well. तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? They are all kept in a constant and rigid shape. तो एक lattice structures को cube like cubical मिल जाता है. Two examples: magnesium oxide and sodium chloride. This is what a lattice structure would look like if you look at it in an atom form. In negative ions and positive ions, इनके दरमियान they are both unlike charges, so there's always going to be a force of attraction which is keeping the lattice together in a cube form. उसको उसका structure maintain करने के लिए what is the thing that is actually maintaining the structure? That is your electrostatic forces and molecular forces of